In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy BNB meme coins. Now, first you must find a platform to actually trade them on. For me, I'm using Axiom, so there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you want to use Axiom as well, you can use my link to get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So again, make sure you check it out, link down below. So to buy BNB meme coins on here, it's actually very simple. You have to go to over here and you have to switch from Solana to BNB, because they've just recently updated to BNB. Before they only had Solana meme coins on here. And then you have to deposit some BNB. So click on this deposit button, and then you have to basically deposit. You can either use your address from a different wallet, you can buy it right on here, or you can convert it in case you're holding some Solana or Hyperliquid. Now, once you do that, you have to, of course, type in if you want to convert, and you can just confirm that, and then you will have some BNB on your wallet. Now, once you have your BNB here, you can go ahead and start buying meme coins, and the way you do this is very easily. You have to just go to the Discover tab here, or to the Polls tab. You have to basically go to different filters and find the meme coins you want to buy. So let's say that you did your research and you found a meme coin you actually want to trade. So for example, let's say I'm just going to go for a random coin over here like this one, and I'm going to click on it. And here to actually buy BNB meme coins, all you have to do is click on the buy button, select the amount of how much you'd like to buy, click on the buy button, and you've successfully bought your meme coin. Okay, now of course before that, make sure you do your own research, because a lot of these coins are scams. There's thousands of videos on YouTube teaching people how to actually trade meme coins, different strategies, how to find them, etc. So go watch that first before you actually buy into a meme coin. I just wanted to show you the easiest way to actually do it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.